Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable FaceTime on iPhone. So if you want to start using FaceTime on your iPhone and you don't know how to enable it, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable FaceTime on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, locate and click on the FaceTime application. On our settings, scroll down, select apps, then scroll down until you get to FaceTime and click on it. Now, once you selected FaceTime, make sure FaceTime is enabled here. If this is disabled, you'll not be able to use FaceTime on your iPhone. Then go ahead and turn on FaceTime here. Once you turn on FaceTime, just hang on a couple of seconds for FaceTime to be activated. And once you see your contact pops here, that shows your FaceTime is now active. You can now go back and launch the FaceTime application for the first time. Then you're good to go. So you should see all your FaceTime suggestions here. So that's exactly how to enable FaceTime on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.